The prerequisites for taking the ITIL 4 Digital and IT Strategy course are that you need to hold the ITIL 4 Foundation Certificate. Once you have registered with an accredited training provider, you will be expected to complete 4 written assignments and a multiple choice exam before you achieve the ITIL Leader certificate. Now remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description. Follow Good e-learning on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for regular free trials and ITIL resources such as posters, articles, videos, and study guides.